Hey guys, there's my bed that's in the hallway, but we are headed to a buddy's house. I have a gaming computer that I bought and we're gonna put it together.
I'm just doing homework. It's from my house.
Freaking blind.
It's a good look. What you got there?
Oh yeah. I'm so smart.
I didn't know that part, yeah.
So
It didn't click, it's
it's not
nice.
satisfying.
It's just shy to the camera.
Is it because it's not in right?
AM5 7800 X3D.
That goes in the mousetrap looking thing.
Correct.
That sounds like a cheat code from an old school video game. Like I typed that in and win a bunch of money.
Just like so.
Tough.
Bada bing, bada boom.
This plate around an AM5 now because the coolers will bend it over time. Mine does not have one, so I guess I'll find out the hard way if it does.
Could you not add one later?
I could. I just don't want to take it
Sounds like
apart.
work. Yeah.
Relax. Let's see. There we go. All right. I should have took those out, so I don't have to take those out.
Uh-oh.
Easy, easy.
What you not doing?
I'm pulling it up right now.
USB 2.0. Oh god. Oh, get the cramp. Where's the black?
Oh, that's a big old boy.
Yeah, 850. Pretty stout.
What does Bree say? No, who you voting for?
Andy.
Andy?
Text if he's still on. Text Andy to, I think it's what, 2152.3. Keep going on it.
Gotta get quick there. And then feed it out through here. It's a whole lot easier to hook stuff to the motherboard before you put your power supply in. Freaking see. There we go. What is going on here? Oh, I've got it upside down.
That'd be
Clips on the top. Dude. There we go. There, good click. Oh, cool, a fan splitter. Well, that's nice of them. Nice enough in the box to give you a fan splitter, which is very nice considering this is one of the most budget-friendly AIOs there is. Thermalright makes dang good stuff for the price. That's insane. So what you're going to do, just take your fans, plug them both into this splitter here. It's got a little notch in it so you can't mess it up. Same thing there. And then you're going to take this splitter and plug it in to the one that says CPU fan, which I cannot see because I am blind. just say CPU fan. Okay, there it is. CPU optional. Right now, GPU power, and you're done. Well, building part's done. Oh yeah. Look at that, dude. Go! Oh, a bitch.
How you feeling so far?
Good. You got a genius at this. I'm excited.
He's got like coding on the screen, so that makes sense. You so excited?
I'm gonna be a gamer boy.
Okay.
And I'm
That's
gonna
a
see
new
you
look for
later,
you.
boy. It's my Weird Al Yankovic version of Skater Boy, because I'm a gamer boy. Look at that new keyboard. I did a good job picking that out.
Mhm.
Where do we get it?
Target.
Target?
Mm-hmm.
Was it on sale?
No.
Yes,
It was
it
cheap.
was.
That
Oh,
one
it
was
was.
not on sale.
Oh, there was not on sale. I got
That one
something
was
on
not.
sale.
A bunch of Razer was on sale, but that one was not.
Oh, that's stupid.
Maybe you got it cheap. I think it was like $40.
Yeah.
And your mouse was like $40, which is crazy, but it works. But it
Yeah.
works.
I'm excited.
Okay, now we got the BIOS on the USB.